What's going on, everyone? I hope you're having a good day, bro. Today I'm actually so pissed at the market, bro. Um, so let's get right into the trading video. So this is the market open line that I just marked out, and now we're gonna go through my daily buys. So on the 4 hour, we were in a downtrend because we had this big dump yesterday. You can see there's a breaker structure right here with this line. But I was bullish though because, and I'll tell you why. Because after all this dump and only this much retracement, I knew we had to at least retrace up to the 50% mark, which we did, and we even almost touched the 0.705 area. So I knew we were going to be bullish for the day, and PM session I knew we were going to be bearish because we couldn't just hold that long after this big dump down. So I was bullish in the AM session and bearish in the PM session. And now let's get into the trades. So in the AM session, I had a bunch of just charting done, but I did not find setup at all because we had an NFP today, and that just kind of messed up my setup. And as you can see, I was right. My bias was correct. We were bullish in the AM, and we retraced up to the 0.705 area almost. This is where the stupid stuff happens. So PM session, I see that we get a breakup structure to the downside on NQ, and on ES we also have a breakup structure to the downside right here. So I'm like, okay, we're going down. This is our reversal part, right? This is our PM session is about to be bearish, and this is the signal of it. So what I see is that first of all, this is what I see. We have a consolidation right here. This is all consolidation. Then we have this manipulation right here. This is all manipulation, all this. And then I'm expecting distribution, which is exactly what happened, right? I'm gonna delete this stuff real quick. And plus we broke structures to the downside. So I looked at this inverse fair value gap, right? After the breaker structure, I saw this inverse fair value gap right here. And this was my original thing where I wanted price to retrace to, because that was also above the 50% mark on from this high to this low. It was above the 50% mark, so I wanted to be safe with it, right? But what me on my first trade, I took two trades, right? As you can see by the arrows. What I did is, instead of waiting for price to go into here, what I saw was that there was also this bullish fair value gap that had gotten disrespected. But that disrespect, I gotta start taking into account. That's not really disrespect. I entered this trade because of a fear of missing out because of FOMO. And I should not have done so. I should have waited for another candle to close and see a full disrespect, because I'm not counting this as disrespect anymore. So what I did was go on the 1 minute. I saw that there was this bearish fair value gap right here. So this is the disrespect that happened. Then we re-entered into the fair value gap, and then we entered this bearish fair value gap, and we showed a bearish reaction off of it. So what me being stupid, what I did was enter right here, my stop right here, and I went in with one contract size. Okay, that's important right now. And I got stopped out almost immediately. So yeah, that was fun. And my TP was this low right here. As you can see, did not work out. What I should have done better is wait for a retracement. So that is completely my fault. I understand that loss, and I'm not even mad about that loss. Okay, that loss I'm not mad about at all. So that's a good loss right there. I deserve that loss. But the second loss is what gets me. So on the 5 minute, we retrace up to my level that I had marked out, the inverse fair value gap. And I see that on the 1 minute, we tap into it right here. And there's a bearish fair value gap right here. That's one. And also on top of that, there's an inverse right here that we tapped into. So I didn't really count for this bearish, which is not needed because I like inverse better either way. We tapped into the inverse within an inverse, and we showed a bearish reaction. I was like, okay, that's enough for me to short right here. I shorted on this candle, as you can see by the arrow, I shorted. And my stop loss was this high right here, because if the market goes above that high, then my trade is invalidated. And my TP was that same TP. And I went in with two contract sizes, okay? As you can see, I clearly did not get stopped out. My stop does not get hit. But what TOPSTEP does is, if you're down 1,000 on the day, and I guess, and that's floating 1,000, not like full, like after you close out. If you're down 1,000 at whatever point in your trade, they'll stop you out. And I guess since I went in with two contract sizes, I was down 1,000 about right here. They stopped me out on this candle, and bro, I missed out on $2,000 of profit, bro. This would have been $2,000 of profit, I'm telling you. I was up. Oh my god, I was up crazy like right here, and my stop didn't even get hit, bro. Like that's the most annoying loss ever. My stop didn't get hit. We went in my direction. We hit my TP, but TOPSTEP, the funded, the prop firm I'm using, that rule got me messed up, bro. And now I'm down 1,000 on the day when I should have literally been up like 1,000, bro. It's fine, losses happen, but I hope you learned something from it. But the trade was a W. This trade was just bad timing and also bad entry. This trade was perfect. I love this trade. The trade itself was fine. Just the prop firm messed me up, bro. But so yeah, that's why I'm down 1,000 on the day. If you couldn't tell, bro, if you look at the difference. On this trade, I lost about 300. This trade, I guess I was down about 700 right here. So they stopped me out, which is kind of stupid, but I guess I understand it's my fault. I should not have been in with 2 contract sizes. But bro, I literally did not get stopped out. It would have made so much money. It's fine though. Things like that happen. This is my most annoying loss ever though. Like I cannot think of any more annoying loss, but I'm gonna stop complaining. And hope you learned something new, and peace out, bro. See you tomorrow.